Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video edit on Capcut PC. I don't have Valorant footages anymore because I've completely deleted them all. But anyways, you're going to select your video, go to remove background and select chroma key. Select the color picker and select the green screen. Now you want the green screen to be the kind of like wall on the set so that it is easier to remove like the background of the video here, as you can see. And then I'm just going to go to library and you're going to search for like outer space or like stars. Just add that here. But you're going to go to speed and you're going to like make it like a slow motion. Add in like smooth slow-mo as well to those like stars, and then on the weapon go to animation and select like a fade in animation or like a zoom out. Maybe like a fade in animation one. If I could just find it. Here it is. I'm gonna put it like here. Where hold on, here it is. Okay, I'm gonna put that fade in here, and you can also add slow motion to the gun as well. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. You can also add effects to just the video, I think, here, like a color glitch maybe. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.